Hi there, this is an introduction to Saasu training video, and in this video I will show you how to change your logo so that it will show up as a bigger size logo other than the 100 kilobyte setting at the dashboard section. Within the dashboard section, you will notice that it will resize your logo automatically to a maximum of 100 kilobytes and 200 by 60 pixels, which is essentially the size of this logo down bottom. Now, in order to apply a bigger logo to your invoice, what we'll need to do is go to the menu, under View, select Templates. You will notice a list of existing templates. Now, these are default Saasu templates, which you can amend or duplicate and create your own, but you will need a bit of HTML knowledge in order to do this. A way to know which invoice applies to which particular action is by the type section. So each type will have a different color tab associated with it. And the default is where you will click on the print PDF or email PDF button when you're in an invoice. And in a moment, I will demonstrate where the default sales tab for this example will be retrieved from. So let's firstly go into our default invoice, which is the standard excluding tax invoice. And here you can edit the name or change the name if you wish. And by selecting default, that will lead the email PDF and the print PDF to retrieve this particular template every time that is clicked on. Now, for this particular instance, we will just be changing the logo. We can see the current logo size is quite small, so we want to upload a bigger size logo, which I have on my desktop. So I simply hit upload. So I've prepared an image earlier that is of a bigger size, and I will select this, and I will hit upload and close to upload this new image. And here we can see that the image is quite large, much larger than our previous logo. In order to see what this image looks like on our invoice, we simply scroll down and hit preview. So here we can see a much larger version of the logo. For today's example, I will assume that this size is okay, and I will close. So I'm happy with the preview, and I simply scroll down and hit save and close. So once we've hit save and close, it will take us back to the templates page. And if you recall, we chose to edit the standard excluding tax invoice. Now, if we bring up a sales invoice, and let's say we want to print out this invoice here. So this is where we draw on the defaults. If we wish to use another invoice layout that's other than the default, we can hit the down arrow and select the invoice. Otherwise, if we select the print PDF, this will default to our invoice with the larger logo.